Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University Library. So the main aim of this program is solving the complex research questions and problems and make it easier for the users to pursue an effective and efficient academia. So for this purpose, today we are having a resource person, namely Mr. V. Venkatesh, Head of Training and Development, Senior Manager of Nimbus Online Private Limited. He is having more than 13 years of experience in growth hacks across varied verticals. And also he is basically a postgraduate student from Jain University in business administration, and he is a specialization in international business. At present, he is residing in Bangalore, Karnataka, handling training and customer successes at Nimbus Online Private Limited, in line with the research and research-based product, which will help the users to attain their research goals. And also, he is handling training and customer success for Nimbus across the regions like India and Indian subcontinents, Middle East, and Africa. And also, he is worked along with media in terms of media partnerships and development, namely BBC, Quint, Hindustan Times, Manipal Press, Guardian, and other A-list media companies. So we are very glad and delighted to invite you as a resource person and welcome you for this training program, sir. And also I would like to welcome our participants who has been participated in this training program. Now I request Mr. Venkatesh V to handle this training program, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this lovely introduction.
Yeah.
It is always a privilege and honor to be part of Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. And I have also visited the beautiful campus a couple of times. And today we are virtually connected to see a digital library that the institution have taken. Now, as we all know, digitalization is everywhere, be it education, be it defense, be it legal, be it medical and pharma, be it any division, digitalization has become an integral part. And considering as a library, as Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University also has created this digital library so that the users of this university can access the resources 24/7, even through a mobile application also. Today, I will talk about the practical aspects of it, how to launch this library, what is your ID, what is your password. So we are going to see a series of practical aspect of how to access various articles and various content that is available for you from the universities, what we are going to see today. My name is Venkatesh. I'm connecting from Bangalore, and I handle the training and development for Nimbus Online Private Limited. So quickly, without much of ado, I will share the screen and take you through the live platform. It would be great if someone can confirm me as you can see the screen, please. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, visible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So this is the platform that we are going to access today. As you can see here, Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. This is a digital library. This is just a beginning. There are a lot of content we are adding now. Now, so far, we can see corporate law advisory online, Keen online, LexisNexis. All that resources are accessible anywhere, anytime, any device. I am connecting from Bangalore. I'm connecting from Bangalore, and the institution is in Chennai. And how remotely, as a user, you can access, because I understand today I'm talking to the research scholars at the university. Everybody is a research scholar today, and there are a lot of research scholars who are part-time. You're also connecting remotely. You're not regularly in the campus to access the resources. You're not able to access the physical library. So now the library, very thoughtfully, what they have done, that this library resources has to be available to all the users 24/7, anywhere, anytime, any device, is what we are going to see today. Now, how to launch this library practically? Before getting onto the platform, I also would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the library team, Dr. Ashok sir, Dr. Bhagwati madam, and to the entire library team, I would like to extend my gratitude. Thank you so much for putting this event together and doing continuously in the process of creating an awareness or adding value to our students and our faculty members in terms of serving the content, serving right content, serving important content, so that you can do an effective research and an effective learning. Now, having said that, the institution has put in so much of effort. It is not as simple as what we are seeing today. We are making it simpler for the user, but for the librarians, for the library department, this wasn't easy. It was very difficult. They were putting in a lot of effort, adding user details, adding ID, passwords, adding resources, communicating with us. So to create this, they have put in so much of effort. So we request you to explore the platform as much as possible. Now we'll quickly get into the platform. Now, as I told you, this can be accessed 24/7. How? Now open a browser that you are comfortable with. Any browser that you are comfortable with. Just open a browser. I'll just open a fresh browser. I'm opening Google Chrome as a browser, but you can use any browser that you are comfortable with. Any browser that you are comfortable with, you can open. It can be Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, or I'm using Google Chrome. You can use Microsoft Edge. You can use Safari. Any browser you are comfortable with. I'm comfortable with Google Chrome. I'm comfortable with Google Chrome. I also want to tell you that I am equally good in Tamil also. So if at all you want any clarification, Tamil உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது என்கிட்ட கேட்கணும்னா கூட, you can ask me in Tamil. I'm more than comfortable in talking to you in Tamil also. For the benefit of for the understanding of all the users here, I'm using English as a medium of language. But if you have any problem, if you're not able to understand, if anybody, please let me know so that I can talk to you in Tamil or Tamil, Kannada, Hindi and English. Any language you're comfortable, you can ask me. Now, quickly, I am in Google Chrome. I am going to open the library from Bangalore, and the institution is in Chennai, and I'm going to access it from Bangalore. How you can also access it from your home, from your respective place, from your hometown, from your anywhere from wherever you are, you can access. How? Just type Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. That is tndalu.nimbus.com. You can see this link. You can already see the link on the top. Please make note of this particular link. Now I will put these things in the chat box. I'm going to put 3 details in the chat box for your reference. Please make note of them. I'm going to put 3 details. Okay. Just a minute. Let me put these details in the chat box. Okay. I've given a link. Now, what is your ID? ID should be PH. I'm giving an example. PH and your number 21, whatever it is, 21, so on. So like this. There's a number, right? So 210129 or 210002. So these are your numbers, your IDs, IDs that we have given. So please use that ID at tndalu.in. So this is an example I'm giving. Please do not copy the same ID. You will not be able to access it. But I'm just giving it for an example. For an example, PH21, Bhagavati ma'am, this PH210, 0002 or 129, these are their ID, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Student
sir.
ID. Student
Yeah.
ID. Student ID. I'm putting it in bracket. Your student ID @ tndalu.nimbus.com, and your password is user @nimbus. Now I have given you all these 3 details in the chat box. Once again, I'm going to put these details in the chat box. once again, the link, your ID, because there's another conversation which came in between. So I just want to keep it as a sequence. So you can see there are 3 messages would have got in the chat box. Please refer the chat box, the URL, the ID and password tndalu.ins. So your student ID, student spelling is wrong, but please put your student ID, which is 210 something, 210 so and so, 210001 or 2100003 or 2100000, whatever number that you have, please put your ID. And thank you. There are some few of them who acknowledged that you have understood. I hope everyone here have understood what is the link, ID, password. I'm insisting on time and again because these 3 are important. After that, you can explore the platform. You can explore so much of, you know how to explore the platform. You know where to go. You will do the rest of the work. Your work is much easier. But these 3 details, you should keep it handy. tndalu.nimbus.com is the URL. The ID, I have given the ID, your ID at tndalu.in. Password is user@Nimbus. The details. Now again, I'll go back to the share. I'm going to share the screen once again. Okay. Now I have launched this link. Now I will imagine myself as a research scholar of Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. Now I'll just put enter. The moment I enter, it's asking me to sign in. Now I have to sign in saying that I am a student or a research scholar of this particular university. So I'm using my ID. I've told you what is the ID. Please refer the chat box for the ID. Password also I have given you. This is a different ID password. This is an admin ID password. I'm signing in. The moment you sign in, you will see your name on the right top corner. For example, Arvind or your Abhishek or whatever your name, it will appear on the right top corner. I'm using the library ID, so it's showing university librarian, but you will see your name on top. Now you have the entire library in front of you. As I told you earlier, this is just a beginning. We are going to add more and more content. Now the library is building the digital library resource. When they are building it, they are going to add all that in one single window with single ID password. The ID password, everything is handy with you. Now, the moment you sign in, of all the features that you have got here, we have got 2 things in this platform right now. Right now, we have got subscribed content and a pool of open content we have got. நமக்கு 2 விஷயங்கள் இந்த லைப்ரரியில இப்ப இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து paid content, that is the content which the institution have paid and bought these subscribed content. As a university, they have purchased certain content from LexisNexis, Keen Online, Corporate Law Advisor Online. In the மாதிரி சில resources we have purchased. Futurely, we will purchase more. That will also be added. But for now, we have got these 3 resources with us. Now, apart from this, we have also got open content, open videos, open courses, open books, open journals. These are openly available in the web. Now, so those open content also you can access. So you have got subscribed content, you have got open content. Now, let me talk about subscribed content, paid content. That's important. Paid content are the important content. Let me talk about off campus. So for accessing the subscribed content, go to off campus access. As you can see here, the word itself is very self-explanatory, isn't it? Off campus access. That means you don't have to be in the campus to access the resource. Even outside the campus, you can access. Off campus. Outside the campus, you can access. Now, as a research scholar, you have got access to Corporate Law Advisor. You have got Keen Online, LexisNexis Advanced India. I want to tell you a small thing here. This Lexis Advanced India, it's not working now. I had just checked. It was working yesterday. There is some problem. We will fix that up. But let me open Keen Online. Let me open Corporate Law Advisor. Let me open LexisNexis also. It will open, but right now there is some problem. I guess it is not opening. But you can see the moment Corporate Law Advisor opened. Can you see here here? Welcome to Central Library, senlibtndalu@gmail.com. See, you have got your access here. Keen Online also. The moment you see, you can see your institution name. The Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. That means from your home, I'm connecting from my home. From home, you can get connected to the resources. Clean online, subscribed by my university. Corporate law advisor connected with my university. LexisNexis also you will get connected. Sorry, there is some issue with the ID authentication, but we'll fix it. By Monday, this will be fixed. So please come back to the platform and see. LexisNexis is an important resource. So please, you can come back on Monday. It will be today itself. We'll try and solve this particular problem, but nevertheless, it will be solved. So now you have got corporate law, you have got Heen Online, you have got LexisNexis also. Now let me download one of the article. Maybe let me go to some case law, some case laws. I'll just open random. You can access it about Heen Online. I'm not expert in Heen Online, but I'm just trying to open a particular article and show it to you. Practice of Supreme Court of Canada. Let me open this. But if you want special training on Heen Online, special training on LexisNexis, exclusive training on corporate law advisor, please reach out to the library. Please reach out to Dr. Bhagavati ma'am or Ashok sir or the library team. They will help you to arrange for a. So now you can see introduction, table of content, Supreme Court, cases cited, appeals under special. Let me open this as appeal under special acts part 3. Now online it has opened. You can see online. I can read the book. You want to download? Just click download. It will get downloaded. See, from your home without ID password, you can access all these resources. You can access this also. Like now I'm opening Heen Online, but you can use Canada. Sorry, you can use Corporate Law Advisor. You can use LexisNexis. You don't need ID password for any of these resources. You don't need ID password for all these resources. It has already been logged in. You need only one single ID password. ஒரே ஒரு ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்ட் தான் உங்களுக்கு வேணும். தட் இஸ் தி நிம்பஸ் ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்ட். அது மூலமா யூ கேன் ஆக்சஸ் ஆல் த பெய்டு கான்டென்ட். என்னென்ன பெய்டு கான்டென்ட் ஆஸ் எ யூனிவர்சிட்டி நம்ம டாக்டர் தமிழ்நாடு டாக்டர் அம்பேத்கர் லா யூனிவர்சிட்டியில நம்ம வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கோமோ எல்லாமே we can access it with a single ID password. I have downloaded this. Let me click download once again. Oh, sorry, it is downloaded already down in the PDF. Sorry. So you can see the 27-page chapter which I have downloaded. In a click of a button, I have downloaded this particular case study. It's a case study I've downloaded, but you can explore the platform. Please explore the platform. So this book has been downloaded. This particular case study has been downloaded. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this also. And I come back to. Now, as I told you, the first feature, we were just talking about the first feature, ID password. You will see all this resource, go into any of the resource and do here this one. So remotely, you can access these resources. If you need special training on Heen Online or corporate law LexisNexis, reach out to the library team. They will help you to arrange for a similar training session. The experts from the publication will come and they'll train you. Because I do not have expertise on these platforms. I have expertise on my Knimbus platform. So let me go to the home again. Now, this subscribed content we have seen, paid content we have seen now. How to go there? We have to go to off campus to see all this resource. You can access any resource. That is one. Number two, I was also talking about open content. There are open content available in the web. Now, immediately when we talk about open content, what we normally think we can go to Google and we can fetch a content. But Google gives everything under the sun. Does Google give authentic, authoritative, peer-reviewed content? The answer is no. Google gives everything under the sun, and we, in our knowledge, we have to download the right content. But here, as a university, as a library, they are serving the authentic, authoritative, open content also. You get open content also. For example, if you want to put any keyword, maybe article could be a keyword. Let me put article. So I'm just putting a random keyword. There are 24 open content. Do not mind about the subscribed here. There are filters. So the moment you put a keyword, you get a bunch of open content collection. Where for article, there are 24. Just click open here, just open. So these are all open content related to the keyword that is article. You can put any keyword for that matter. Let me put maybe attorney. Attorney could be a keyword, yes. See, attorney, there are certain ebooks that are available for the keyword attorney or litigator. So these are all these are all topic level search, they're not concept level search. So you can put. So now these are open content. Let me download one of the open content and show it to you. There are filters here. There are 13 ebooks related to the keyword litigator, and I can see I cannot see the full name. For example, international law and domestic human rights litigation in Africa. You want to see the full title, just click here so that you can see fully the title of the ebook. International law on domestic human rights litigation in Africa. Can I open this? Let me click and read this. Just click read. The book will open and you can see download option. You want to download, click off a button, you can download the book also. Download URL is given here. Happens sometime. Just from JSTOR, let me open a JSTOR because JSTOR is quite so you can see open access, you can see all the table of content, figures and data, summary, acknowledgement, section 1, introduction. I want to open introduction, download the introduction. Click download, the introduction will be downloaded to your system itself. So this is going to be very, very easy. There's a bunch of authentic open content. There is a bunch of authentic subscribed content also. So all the subscribed content and open content can be accessed and download through this particular platform. We are going to add more such content, I'm just giving some keyword for open content here. For example, public defender. Okay, public defender, there's a lot of content I can see here. Let me filter open only, because if you click over subscribe, then it will give only abstract level. For full text, the defender, there are fiction ebooks that you can have defender. So you can see, let me put like this so that I can see the full name of the book or the journal. School of Public Policy Publication. So you read one of the book, public and municipal finance. There are few content that are available. So you can see defending the island, a story of Bar Harbor in 1758. You want to read any fictional books also, you can just open these books. You can see these formats. These are sizes available. So you want to download, you can download, click and download and read these HTML books also. So basically the library is trying to make your life much easier. These are catalog level search. The next tab is article level search. Earlier we saw the entire ebook, entire journal. Here we see every article which has this particular keyword called public defender. You want to open and read directly the article, you can read. Accept all cookies. Okay, anyways, I'm not able to close this particular window, but introduction, see, you can see the entire content is okay, done. So now we can see expansion of classes. So you want to download this book, click download and you can download this book also. So 24 which book article it is, open article. So it's an article on managing crime through migration law in Australia and United States, a comparative analysis. So it's a comparative analysis which I have downloaded. So I'll go back to the home. Like this, you can download a bunch of articles also or chapters also in a particular publication. Multimedia content for public defender. There are video contents that are available. Now there are videos 890 for the public defender word. There are 1283 content, out of which 890 are videos, 205 are news, And there are course materials also. Click course materials. There are courses, small courses which are available. Public debt dynamics under uncertainty, project public debt, public sector debt statistics. So there are few course materials that are available. Public speaking. There is a course called public speaking. You want to do a course on public speaking? Why not? You can just watch. So apart from curriculum, you want to do something extra, so want to learn extra, also the library is facilitating you. The library is facilitating you with various other such books, fiction books, some interesting videos and courses that are available. So we sincerely request you to explore this platform for your research work and for your learning academic works. So these are the two things which we want to explore. Last but not the least, I want to talk about the mobile application, which is M Library. Now I request all the participants to download this particular app in your mobile. This app is available for both iOS users and Android users. Both iOS users and Android users. Android users, you can go to Google Play Store. iOS users, go to your Apple Store. Download this app called M Library. Install this app. The moment you install, it will ask you for a sign in. Now, what is the ID password? It's the same ID password which you are using for your web platform. நீங்க இதுல என்ன ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்களோ அதே ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்டை உங்களோட மொபைல் ஆப்புக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். The moment you use the ID password, you will see welcome to Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. நம்மளோட university name இங்க வந்துடும். Plus your university logo also will appear here, and all the subscribed content, the open content, you can access it from your mobile application also. As these, you are all research scholars mainly, then using, open content you can use here, but I certainly will prefer that please go to the publication platform and do a research, because this will not be sufficient for you to do a research from the library. This is a digital library which is facilitating with other content. So for you to get an extensive content, extensive research work, that you need to do it in LexisNexis, you need to work it on Heen Online, you have to work on corporate law advisor. These resources you have to go. So please get a hands-on. See, can you see here? Case laws are available for you. Click here to log in, it's saying. So log in. So do your extensive research here in the, so you can see the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. You can see case search. You want to search for a case, you can search for a case here. So these platform, I have very limited knowledge in these platforms, but as a research scholar, you will know how to approach these platforms. So please explore. These are important. Corporate Law Advisor, Heen Online, LexisNexis. Understand how to explore these platforms and get extract maximum from these platforms. So this can be accessed from your desktop, laptop, and one mobile application also. Now I would like to stop the session here, and I would like to open the session for questions. Bhagwati ma'am, do you have any questions? You can, do you have anything that you want me to add more? Let me know. Is there anything that I have missed? Anything, you can let me know.
Participants, do you have any clarification? You can clarify with the resource person. Anything regarding this?
Even ID password, sir, can you please repeat again? I'm ready to repeat it.
Any doubts? Any doubt?
Any doubt?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Sir, in our library, we have subscribed SEC Online, sir.
Sorry?
But SEC Online, we have subscribed, sir, in our library.
Okay, sir.
But I'm not getting access in Knimbus.
Yeah, that is some small issue regarding the renewal. That has been under process, Mr. Rajkumar. It will be rectified and it will be clear. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is a good question for others also. We are subscribing many resources. Right now, we have access to corporate law, Heen Online, LexisNexis. As a university, they are also working their, they have to work on commercials, they work on access issues. So they are working out with other resources like SEC Online, or even in the future, maybe Manupatra. So they will be, so you have to continuously watch the platform, what we have access. The moment you get the access, we will add it here. Don't worry about it. The moment we get the access, immediately the library will inform us, we will add it here. But so far we have access to these three. and slowly in the future, you'll get to see more resources also.
Any clarification, participants? This is
I
a
would
great
like to sum up.
opportunity to
I would like
clear.
to. Yes, ma'am. So maybe I will sum up from the beginning because the ID, password, those things are very important. Now, open a browser you're comfortable with. As I told you, any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or Safari or any browser you can open. After you open the browser like this, use the keyword tndalu.nimbus.com. Tamil Nadu, Dr. Ambedkar Law University, tndalu.nimbus.com. Click enter. After once you enter, sign in with ID password. The ID is your student ID. For example, ph210 blah 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 at tndalu.in. It's the ID. Password is user@Nimbus. I've given all these three details in the chat box. If someone is you're not able to sign in, maybe your ID is missed out, please reach out to the library team. Please reach out to Dr. Bhagavati ma'am or anybody from the library department. They will help you to register and give you the ID, number one. At the same time, download this app also so that your library will be handy in a mobile app. App is everywhere. Today we have app to order grocery, we have our app to order meat, we have app to clean house. So now library is much more important than all of the other things. So library is also now come up as an app. So please download ID password. The ID is your email ID. So sorry, the same ID which we use, that ph210 so on and so forth, your ID at tndu.in, user@Nimbus, same ID, and you will get to see welcome to Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, and you will see all the resources in your mobile also. One more small thing, you want to change the password because the common password you have given to everyone. So change your password here. Go to profile. In the profile, you have something called password. Change your password here. Current password, new password. Please change your password and keep so that it will be secured. Because at a time only, as a user, Venkatesh can use only one desktop, one mobile. What if someone has used your platform? So for avoiding such situation, please go to profile, change your password. Go to profile, change your password here. Okay. And one more thing also available, there is something called My Library, where you can do favorites, web clips, and saved searches. I'll quickly talk about this also. What is this favorites? Tomorrow you will be able to search everything. I'll just put a small simple keyword. Simple keyword, I'm not giving any. So you can see here, I'm like in corporate law advisor online. I want to save this for future. I don't have time to read it now. Maybe I want to read it later. What I can do, put the small bookmark. Can you see here? Just click the bookmark. I will click one more thing. Can you see the word law I have written? It's fairly a simple word, but what if you have used a complicated word? For example, for me, bailiff is a very complex word for me because I will forget. So what I'll do, I'll click this small floppy button. Click this floppy button. Now the search, what they have made, law is a search I have made, and I saved that search also. Now go to my library. See, I have favorited corporate law advisor online. I have saved it. You can read it later. Saved search, you can see law, I have saved it. What is web clip? You are finding anything interesting, though we speak, okay, Google gives everything in the sun, but you find something interesting in Google. For example, World Bank open repository. World Bank open data. So you are referring World Bank open data and you want to save this link for some projects or assignment. Copy this, save this, maybe my research work. I'm just putting a small this one, research work, and save. So I've saved this particular link for myself. So you can use this My Library also to save a particular document or something that you're finding like this as a journal or an ebook. You can save. You can save your searches. You can save any interesting links that you find like this. So you can save all the interesting links also here. So please explore the platform. Profile, You can add your details, password change. My library is like a personal corner, and you can use the search option. This is just a beginning. As I told you earlier also, we are doing much more than what we are today. So we will add more and more rich content. So please visit the platform and explore the platform as much as possible so that the library also feel encouraged to give more. The more you consume, the more you actively use the platform, the more the library will also show interest in giving you more and more content. So thank you so much. Now, is there any other questions? You can ask me. Any more questions?
Any more questions, participants?
Okay, maybe Viveka Pon has asked me connectivity error, so they are not able to use ID password. I'm going to put those three things again: the link, ID, and password. So this could be helpful for others also. That's why link, ID, and the password. I've given these three details again. Mr. Viveka Pon, if anybody else is having such problem, you can use these three details: link, your ID, and password. And Mr. Raju Selvan has given a good comment for us. Thank you, sir. Very useful session. Hope we can complete the research within 3 years. All the best. I'm sure you'll be able to complete, because the library is very effective, especially for researchers. I don't know. I mean, UG, PG, for everyone, library is important, but especially for researchers, library is the best friend, because for research, library is the backbone. So library is putting a lot of effort. So explore more. The more you extract, the more you get benefited out of the library. Thank you. Thank you. So I guess there's no much question. Bhagwati ma'am, thank you so much for making me do this. And we are looking forward for many more such interesting sessions like this. And looking forward to take this association forward.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. You have given an elaborated and clear and very patiently you explained everything, both in bilingual English as well as Tamil. I think our participants has been benefited by this training program. Because they didn't ask much questions. Already they have started using the Nimbus off-campus access. Here and there, they had some small clarifications that has been rectified by the library. And very soon we will try to get SEC to get access from off-campus also. That is under process. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. It's my pleasure, my honor to be here. And I would like to do more such trainings in the future also. UG students, PG students, faculty members. So we'll do more such trainings for everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, all the participants, for patient listening and your fantastic feedback that you have been giving in the chat box. Thank you so much. This encourages us to more